Complete the following installation with the door open. Make sure the latch is inserted in the proper direction with the up arrow pointing up. To extend the latch to 2 3/4, rotate the cylinder clockwise. Twist the extension plate all the way out. Insert the deadbolt latch into the door. Make sure the faceplate sits flush on the door and do not force the latch. Using the 2 screws provided, screw the latch into the door. Do not use a drill, only a handheld screwdriver. Do not fully tighten for later adjustment. Remove the battery cover by sliding the cover upward. Remove the screw holding the mounting plate to the interior assembly. Remove the keep tailpiece in vertical position when installing sticker, and install the exterior assembly onto the door while guiding the control wire under the latch. The tailpiece must go through the latch in the vertical position. Secure lock front to the door with low tack tape when installing alone. Insert both mounting posts to the mounting plate. Route the control wire through the slot in the mounting plate. Place the mounting plate against the door and secure it to the exterior assembly using the provided screws. Do not fully tighten the screws for later adjustment. Check the rubber gasket is properly aligned. Tighten all screws securely, but do not over-tighten. Carefully insert the control wire into the wire connector. Make sure the connector dots and the wire dots are on the same facing. Do not force. Make sure the knob is in the vertical position. Insert the vertical position tailpiece into the interior assembly and carefully push the interior assembly against the door. Be careful not to pinch the control wire during assembly. Using provided screws, attach the interior assembly to the mounting plate. Do not over-tighten. Remove the sticker after installation and before inserting the batteries. With the door remaining open, insert 4 AA alkaline batteries into the battery compartment.